Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. Apple's new iPhone SE was a predictable upgrade in almost every way. Today we received the latest iPhone SE 3. Although there is no change in appearance, the hardware upgrade makes many people willing to buy it. Now, I can't wait to show you 2 ways to set it up. Don't miss the boat, guys. You can choose the method which suits yourself. So, let's dive in. Way 1. Quick start from old device to iPhone SE. In this part, I will show you how to transfer data from your old device to your iPhone SE using the quick start. First of all, we start to power on your iPhone SE. Just press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Hello page, swipe up and continue. We select the language and country here. Now we can see the quick start option. Just put the old device and iPhone SE together. A pop-up window for setting up a new iPhone will appear. Tap Continue to proceed. Then scan the image on your iPhone SE. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone SE 3. Here, set your Touch ID and password. Tap Continue to proceed. At this time, you can enter your Apple ID password or set it up later. We agree with the terms and conditions here. Tap Continue to proceed. After that, some settings about Wallet and Siri will pop up. You can set it up according to your habits. Now the transfer has started. It will take some time. Great, the transfer is completed. As you can see, the iPhone SE has the same data as your old device. If the data transfer fails or gets stuck, you can try iPhone iOS Data Manager. There will be a free download link below the video. Now, I'll show you the next way to set it up as a new device. Way 2. Set up manually. So power on your iPhone SE. Select the language and country to proceed. When you see the quick start page, hit the Setup manually. Then tap Continue. After that, you can set your Touch ID and password. Here you can choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPhone. I don't transfer apps and data now, so I tap it. Now you can log in with your Apple ID. Then we agree with the conditions. Tap Continue. Here you can set whether to use iCloud Keychain according to your own habits. Then it's to set up Siri, contacts, etc. Okay, we are on the home screen. Go ahead and enjoy your iPhone SE now. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.